How to design thumbnails using Canva. The very first thing you want to do is to go to Google. If you don't have the app, then type in Canva. Okay, then click enter. Then you type in this first search results over here. After clicking on it, it brings you up to this page, to this Canva page. So you want to create an account with them, or you want to sign up for free. So let's click on sign up for free. Then okay, it has signed me up immediately, although I have an account with them. So the next thing you want to do is to click on this section. We're going to be using the free version, so we don't need this. Click on this create design, then click on YouTube thumbnails. Okay, then it brings you to this page where you would create your thumbnail. Okay, so let's wait for that to load. All right, now we have different section in the Canva app for creating thumbnails. We have the template. Canva provides templates for you to choose from. Some are free. Anyone with this crown and symbol shows that it is not free, it is paid. Okay, so you have to pay to access those ones, but they are good designs. They are free designs that are actually free. Then the elements are, objects, arrows, shapes, graphics, stickers. You can just use to beautify your designs. All right, then we have the uploads are pictures pictures or video you used or collected from your gallery. Okay, those are uploads. Then you have the text. Okay, different kind of text you can just use and put in there if you don't want to write them by yourself. Then we have the photos. All right, so let's quickly start on the template. So if you want to design, the first thing you want to do is to choose a template. Okay, so let's choose a template. Let's create a design. Let's choose a template. Okay, so let's go with this one, secrets. Let's go with this. So all you want to do is to click and edit all of this. You can move this anyhow you want. You can edit it. You can increase you can change the font right here. Okay, you can change the font right here. Let's say Public Sun. Okay, so you see the font changes. But the good thing about Canva is that every template you choose has a befitting font for it. So let's just leave it at Anton. Then you can also increase the font size of your word by clicking here. You can increase it and reduce it. Okay, or you hold this area here and drag it down. Okay, so it increases, or you drag it forward, up, and introduces. Okay, so that is it. Then you can also change the color. You can make it aesthetic or not. Okay, then you can also change the arrangement. Then if you want to undo something, you want to take it back to how it was before, you can use this undo, Ctrl Z, and it is done. Okay, then we have the effects where you can put some kind of shadow behind it to make it thicker. Okay, then you have the glitch. Okay, then we have the neon. We have the background, and for the background you can also change. For the background you can also change the color of the background if you want to anything you want. So let's undo that. So I'm just showing you the basic this thing. Then you can also change the way it is arranged. Okay, it can be straight or bent depending on what you want. So that is that for the words. Okay, then for you can move this as I said. You can also move this, right? You can also move this anywhere you want. Okay, you can also change the color of this one to, you can also change the color of this one up here. Click here. It can be red, it can be black, it can be blue. Okay, you can also change the color of that. Then you can place this. Another good thing is that you can copy this text. Once you touch it, you can right click, then you click copy, then you come on the picture and click paste. So you see it's now 2. You can copy anything, you can paste anything. So let's shift this, let's copy this green stuff, let's copy it and let's paste it, in case you want to use more than 3 or more than 2. So you see, so you can also delete, right click, delete, right click, delete. You can also copy this lady here, copy, then click on it and put paste. So you can copy her up to 10 times, as much as you want. Okay, so let's delete this. Then you can also delete her entirely and impute your own picture by clicking on this upload over here. Okay, then you choose a picture. I've chosen this picture, so here it is. Now one beautiful thing about picture, you see that the picture is behind the word secret. So you can bring this picture forward by right clicking and pressing send or bring forward or bring to front. So you see it's at the front, and you can now arrange it. Just use the edges to arrange it. So there you have it. Okay, so you can also change this blue background by clicking on it. You can change it from blue to white or green or black or red. Okay, I always like the red color, so let's leave it at red. So let's edit this. Let's put Canva. Okay, let's stretch it. So let's put so I'm already designing right now. So I want to do a thumbnail for a video title that says how to create thumbnails using Canva. Okay, so let me delete this background. Okay, no, sorry. Okay, design thumbnails. So let's write design thumbnails. Let's make that big. Then you can use this stuff here to move it still. Design thumbnails. Let's change the color to say let's say white. okay, instead let's use the word easy thumbnails, just something straight to the point. Let's say easy. Okay, let's make that big. Okay, then let's bring this here. Then let's write thumbnails. Okay, then let's make that big too. Okay, let's reduce it a little bit. Okay, so what color do we put there? Let's just rearrange this a little. So let's choose a color for this. Let's say green. Let's see how it will look like. Okay, let's put is to copy this. Okay, copy this, then paste it, right? Then bring it here, increase it so that the thumbnails word can fill it up. So let's make that big, right? So then let's send it backward behind the thumbnails, you see. So let's bring this Canva back here. Okay, so let's make that align. All right, so let's change the thumbnail to say, let's change it to white. No, it was red, right? Let's change the background to white rather. Let's change the background to white, then bring back our thumbnails. So Canva easy thumbnails. Okay, so we can still change this whole background to red. Okay, it's red already. You can change it to brown. Okay, you can change it to whichever color we want. Okay, so it's up to you. It's up to you. Okay, so it can be red, it can be white, it can still be green, so you just keep choosing. So I think I'll go with this color. It's okay for me. Okay, so I think I will go with blue, and that is all. So what you want to do is to click on this share here, then click on download down here, Then you can change this to JPG. Then you click on download, then it downloads immediately. See it right here, down here. Then once it's done, you can now view it, and it's done. So let's view it and see our design. And this is our design, guys. Canva easy thumbnails. Okay, so that is how to design using Canva. So guys, see you on the next one.